When you're specifying ductwork for a commercial HVAC project, there are certain decisions that affect almost everything else. Installation time, system performance, energy efficiency, and long-term operating costs. That's why contractors around the world choose the genuine SPIRO system. So, what makes SPIRO different? Unlike conventional ductwork, SPIRO ducts are precision manufactured using a patented spiral seam that locks the steel together. The result is an exceptionally strong, perfectly round duct that maintains its shape during transport, installation, and years of operation. But the real innovation is in the connection. Every genuine SPIRO fitting is supplied with a factory-fitted, age-resistant EPDM rubber gasket. There are no loose sealing components, no additional sealants, no unnecessary installation steps. Simply connect, adjust if required, and secure. Because the gasket remains fully sealed throughout the adjustment process, installers can fine-tune alignment without compromising air tightness. At ARLO, we can also fit insulation or duct lining in the factory. All of this means faster installation, less labour, and consistent quality across every project. Performance doesn't stop once the building is complete. Airtight ductwork is essential for efficient HVAC operation. Leaks waste conditioned air, increase energy consumption, and can force systems to work harder than necessary. The genuine SPIRO system is engineered to achieve Class D airtightness when installed to specification, helping improve system efficiency while reducing lifetime operating costs. It's one reason SPIRO is trusted on projects where performance and sustainability matter. At ARLO Express Sheetmetals, we manufacture genuine SPIRO ducting and fittings under license from SPIRO International. Available in diameters from 100 to 2,500 millimeters, rated for pressures up to 3,000 pascals, and temperatures from -30 to +100 degrees Celsius. It's engineered for demanding commercial HVAC applications. When installation speed, airtight performance, and long-term reliability matter, choose the genuine SPIRO system. Manufactured by ARLO Express Sheetmetals in New Zealand and Australia, it's built for performance.